The star schema is one of the most common models for modeling relationships across different tables on the same model. In this schema, there is a central table called a fact table, which is in our example the fact sales table, and dimensional tables or dimension tables, which are in our example the dim store table, dim channel table, and dim product table. In this schema, the fact table is used to register events and has more rows added to it daily or even hourly or even by second. Think about it as the table that holds the values for all the sales transactions that could happen within a company during a day. While the dimension tables are used to better describe the events that happened or registered, while the dimension tables are used to describe the events or the sales that happened within the fact table, so that the fact table could only hold values and hold keys that are used to connect to the dimension tables, while all the information related to these dimensions are stored within the dimensions themselves. So as an example, let's take the dim product table. So the fact table doesn't record the name of each single product that has been sold. Instead of that, it records just the key or the ID for that product that we're sold, while the dim product table holds all the information related to that product. That could be, for example, the color of the product, the brand name of the product, the size of the product, or even the full name of the product that was sold. Same thing over here on the dim channel. So the fact table or the sales table would not record whether that sale has been made online or through one of the company's stores. Instead of that, it just lists the channel key or the channel ID, and all the information related to that channel would be stored on the dim channel table. And finally, over here with the dim store table, even if the sale was made through one of the company's stores, it wouldn't necessarily record all the information related to that store where the sale has happened within the fact sales table. Instead of that, it only records a column with the store ID and stores all the information related to that store within the dim store table. That could include the address of the store, the open date, number of employees, the size of the store, and any other information that could be related to that store where the sale has happened. So, in other words, the dimensional tables are used for filtering the fact sales table and also used for grouping the numbers on the fact sales table, while the columns on the fact sales table are used for aggregation. So let's take an example. Say for example that we would like to know how much sales that company has made through each of its sales channels. So in that case, let's go to the report view, and to figure that out, I would go to the dim channel table and get the channel name column. Then I would go to the fact sales table and add the sales amount column. Now if I go to focus mode, we can see how much sales the company has made through each of its sales channels. Let's say for example that I would like to filter for a specific product. I may not necessarily know its ID, but if I know its name, I can use the dim product table to filter for that product name. So if I go back to the report and open the dim product table and add the product name column and show that as a filter. Let's say for example that I'm interested in that specific product. Watch what happens. Once I select the product I'm interested in, the numbers on this table will change to reflect or to show only numbers related to that specific product I have selected. And that's all we need to know about using the star schema in Power BI. See you in the next video. If you like this type of content, subscribe to our channel, hit like, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And by the way, we also offer Power BI consulting and training services at www.powerbimaster.com. See you in the next video.